So hello friends, I am Unique and I am going to show you how to hack Subway Surfers by using Lucky Patcher app. So first you should have Subway Surfers app. You can download it from Play Store or from App Store. Okay, then we have to hack it from Lucky Patcher app. If you are not having Lucky Patcher app, so I can show you how to download Lucky Patcher app. First, open any browser like Chrome, type Lucky Patcher, then scroll down and click on Lucky Patcher APK latest one. And then scroll down and click on download Lucky Patcher APK. Scroll down and then see there, click here to download. I have downloaded Lucky Patcher app, but to show you I will download it again. Download. Okay, we can see here it is downloading and it is downloaded. So we can open it and download. So it is getting downloaded. Finally. You will have lots of fun in playing Subway Surfers hack version. Now so click on Subway Surfer, open menu of patches, create modify APK file and APK rebuild for in-app and LVL emulation. Rebuild the app. Now it's just going and going and going. Now it's going and going and going. So see, it will be displaying. Go to file. If it is not getting, then try it again, like this one. Now it is going. It will take some time to. Now go to file and click on uninstall and install.